Well, hello and good morning. I have two sessions here in the studio. One is a cake smash session and one is a sitter session. And I'm going to unbox some really cool, hopefully beautiful new backgrounds, which are from a completely different company that I usually order from. So I'm really excited to test out the quality and just show you the material and the prints and everything. But first I'm gonna set up for my cake smash session. Here I have the cake still in the box, but I'm still gonna decorate it a little bit. As you can see, the cake smash stuff is still behind me because the clients just texted me that they're gonna be like 15 minutes late, which means I'm gonna have less time after this session before the sitter session. So I'm just gonna start my unboxing now and see how far I'll get in 15 minutes. Okay, moving over. So it's really heavy and the vendor actually told me, well, she advised me not to open it in front of the camera because it's quite hard to get it out. So I told her I would get my husband to help me. He's not here. I still have my camera here. If I look too ridiculous trying to take this out of the package, I might not use it in this video. So look at this background. Does it focus? So there's a green one inside and then a beige one. Super hard, but it's not. And seriously guys, this material is great. This is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna show you in a second. It's gonna be hard to show you how thick this is, but I think it's even thicker than the backgrounds I have been using up till now, which are also lovely, thick, wrinkle-free, very easy to wipe off vinyl, but this is even better. It's super thick. It's like a little bit structured. Oh, here you see. Here on the top you can insert like the crossbar from your background system. Wow. Oh, here's the green one. Absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Thick quality. Wrinkle-free. Easy to wipe off with water and soap and wipes. Of course, you have to be careful. Beautiful backgrounds. So I've thrown on the beige one and the mint green one I've just stored away for now. I'm going to put it on after the cake smash session. Wow, I'm really impressed with the quality of these backgrounds. They're super cool. Yeah, seriously, now I'm considering in the future to use that backdrop for everything, like the cake smashes and sitter sessions, maternity. So yeah, you can see the design that I chose. It's like a little bit like a paintbrush effect, which I really like. So that's just part of the print. It's not part of the material. There are no wrinkles in the material. It's just the print, which I really like. Like on the back it's really smooth, and then here on the front it's just almost like a canvas, but it's vinyl and it's thick and it's non-wrinkly and it's beautiful. And I'm just gonna stop my rant and focus on the cake smash, waiting for the clients to come and my camera to focus. So I just finished with the cake smash on my old background, and now I'm gonna set up for the sitter session using the two new backgrounds. I'm going to put the mint green one on here and then have the beautiful beige one already there. So I have some clips to clip it on. I'm not gonna put the bar through. I could, but maybe I want to continue using this one for the cake smash sessions because it does get, you know, cleaned and dirty, and I want to keep that one looking all pretty. I could use it for a cake smash session probably. Anyway, for now I'm just going to clip on the green one and show you what it looks like. Try to use metal clips instead of plastic ones. They last so much longer. Look at this, guys. It is so beautiful. So here you can see, I think this is the number of the background. Here you can also really see the structure, how it is printed. It's so beautiful and thick. It's almost wrinkle free right out of the box. And yeah, here you can see the edges. Now I'm just decorating it for the sitter session, but this would be equally cute for a newborn session. Okay, so I think I'm done styling for now. So yeah, we're gonna start with the green backgrounds. Then we're gonna go to my absolutely so beautiful real wooden, dark wooden background. Some burlap there, beautiful bowl, blanket. First I'll take the photo sitting, and then we remove the bowl and we have the baby lie on his belly, maybe crawling away, but that's fine. Then on my beautiful new creamy structured awesome background, I have this decor. So also a little bit of like a burlap there, then this basket and this little blanket. So yeah, we'll go from there. And then for this background we can, of course I'll let the parents choose, but here we can do the bathtub or the white basket or no basket at all. So here I have my 4 beautiful backgrounds, looking absolutely lovely. If you have seen something standing there, it's hiding in the back, I have a beautiful piece of wall art. I will really show it in a separate video. It's absolutely beautiful, amazing. You can take off the blocks and move them around, but I still need to get my husband here in the studio to actually hang it on the wall. So that's why it's here in the back. It's not because it's going anywhere. Like, it's not because it is hiding, but just because, I mean, it's so beautiful, but I just need my husband here to hang it up somewhere. I also have a video about this thing, might have been posted already, might not. Testing it out. It's in continuous light for newborn session. And yeah, the floral circle, I have a video already about that. So most of the things you'll see here, I have videos about this real wood. I have a video about where I got the bathtub. So yeah, if you want to see more, check out my channel. Even like the circular backdrop stand, which I still have to decide whether I'm keeping it or giving it away to someone or maybe selling it. So yeah, let's go. I was just looking at this IKEA bed that I painted with the Annie Sloan chalk paint. Also have a video about that one. But that would look so cute on this backdrop. And then with like a 2-year-old child sitting on there, or 1-year-old child who's already a little bit taller. But yeah, very nice. So here we go. This is my after disaster. So yeah, the boy was not sitting up yet by himself, so I skipped those baskets, like the lower ones, and I went for like taller ones, so that he would have more support in the back and on the side, so he wouldn't fall over. The mom was still sitting right next to him, so he was safe. So yeah, absolutely beautiful green backgrounds. Did so well in the photos. This one just perfect. So it's a new day today. I just finished a sitter session. I used both my new backgrounds, so the mint green one and the beige one. Absolutely beautiful. And now I was just thinking, they're vinyl. You can easily like wipe them clean. They have no wrinkles. They're thick, beautiful matte material. And like the beige off-white one is pretty much the same color I was using for my cake smash sessions before, but the quality is even better because I do sometimes have like a little bit wrinkles in the other ones, like not wrinkles but just like kind of big wrinkles in the background. So I was thinking I'm gonna use my new off-white, creamy, beige, whatever you call it, background for 2 cake smash sessions today. I have 2 cake smash sessions. Both of the parents have chosen the same cake. And one has more pink and silver colors, like salmon colors, and then the other one is it's without the silver gray. So I'm gonna use my new background today because yes, I want to keep it beautiful and clean and gorgeous to use for maternity sessions and sitter sessions and family photos for newborn sessions. But why not use it for cake smash sessions as well? Because if you buy a background that you can wipe clean easily and it's beautiful, you want to use it for as many sessions as possible because they're not cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my cake smash session but with a new background. I'm gonna move the entire backdrop stands because I want the mint green to be there and I want the beige one to be there, because for the cake smash session I want to have a little bit more light, and then I have natural daylight coming from that side and then my flash with 1 speed light coming from this side. So I'm gonna move them around. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. So here we go, I swapped them. Now you can see how clumsy I am. Don't do what I just did because you will have wrinkles in your beautiful backgrounds because there's a better way to transport them. But anyway, I did it, I swapped them. Time to decorate. So here we go with the cake in front of the decor. Sweet and simple. And here you can see the beautiful background. What I always have, I don't know if other people have it, is that at the top, it's still pulling towards the corners, like on both sides. There's a line there, and then there's a line there. No matter if I put clamps on or I loosen the strip in the top a little bit, I still get these lines in the top. Right now it doesn't matter because the photo will be pretty much here, so you won't see it, but still. But my other background had it a lot more, the thinner one. So this is already an improvement, but still you see the lines in the back. So I just finished this cake smash. I showed you some bits of how it got dirty and how we cleaned it. So now I'm gonna set up for the second cake smash. It's an identical cake, but a little bit different background. So I'm gonna put those circles in the back, but they also like pink and gray, and it's a similar cake. So I'll show you. So yeah, the parents picked exactly the same colors, like pink and gray, a little bit of salmon. They picked the same cake, just different decor in the background, so I changed that. But I'm actually recycling balloons. So this balloon just had a little bit of cake on it, so I actually washed it. The other ones were still clean. So yeah, I'm recycling decor once in a while. If it's still clean and the balloon is still full, like it's from the same day, I might recycle. So here you can see the second cake with the second background. Background is completely clean again. Looking good. Added an extra balloon and the rest is pretty much the same. Thank you so much for watching. I am a huge fan of these backgrounds right now. So it was the first time I saw them in real life today, and I'm just super happy with the quality of the backgrounds. I think they're amazing. They're so thick, they don't wrinkle, you can wipe them clean, they're vinyl, they're completely matte. I love the prints, the colors, they look really similar to the website. I love how they were shipped, so actually rolled up and not folded up, so you don't have any creases. And they're just ready to use. They don't smell weird. They're just beautiful. And I'm just very enthusiastic. So please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to read in your comments which background you use most in your studio. Like, what's your favorite color background? And then you'll see me in my next video, hopefully. Have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.